Keto, short for the ketogenic diet, is a popular and effective dietary approach that has gained significant attention in recent years. It revolves around drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing consumption of healthy fats, which shifts the body's primary source of fuel from glucose to ketones. The main goal of the ketogenic diet is to induce a metabolic state called ketosis, where the body becomes highly efficient at burning fat for energy. By limiting carbohydrate intake to a very low level, typically around 5 to 10% of total calories, the body depletes its glycogen stores and starts breaking down fats into ketones. These ketones are then utilized as a fuel source by the body, including the brain. One of the key benefits of the keto diet is its ability to promote weight loss. By reducing carbohydrate intake, insulin levels decrease, allowing stored fat to be released and burned for energy. This can lead to significant fat loss, especially when combined with a calorie deficit. Glowing star beyond weight loss, the keto diet has shown promise in various other areas of health. It has been associated with improved blood sugar control, increased energy levels, reduced inflammation, and enhanced mental clarity. Some studies suggest that the ketogenic diet may also have therapeutic applications for certain conditions, including epilepsy, type 2 diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. Implementing a keto diet involves carefully selecting foods that are high in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, and olive oil, moderate in protein, such as meat, fish, and eggs, and low in carbohydrates, limiting grains, starchy vegetables, and sugary foods. It requires a thoughtful and structured approach to meal planning to ensure nutritional adequacy while maintaining the desired macronutrient ratios. As with any dietary change, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting the ketogenic diet, especially for individuals with underlying health conditions or specific nutritional needs.